Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss some points in the topic pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10th. I have mentioned some certain content here. So linear equation one variable. So general form of linear equation one variable, and what is solution of the equation, that is linear equation with one variable. And next one, linear equation in two variables, and what is general form of linear equation in two variables, and what is solution of the equation in two variables. Then seventh one, what is simultaneous linear equation in two variables, and what is solution, and what are consistent equations or consistent system and inconsistent system. And next one, the graphical representation of linear equations. Next one, the properties of pair of linear equations in two variables. And then algebraical methods of solving simultaneous linear equation in two variables. It is of two types guys, three types. Method of elimination by substitution, method of elimination, method of substitution guys, that is equating coefficients, and third one is cross multiplication. Okay, so we'll discuss all these points in detail. Now, what is linear equation one variable? If a comma b are two real numbers such that x is not equal to 0, where x is a variable, and the equation is of the form ax plus b or ax equal to b, is called the linear equation one variable. Okay, any equation is of the form ax plus b with one variable. Okay, either x or y or z, it can be any variable here, and there should be two constants a and b, where a is a coefficient of x and b is a constant. Okay, these type of equations are called linear equations with one variable. Okay, now the general form of linear equation one variable is ax plus b. Okay, now the value of the variable which satisfies the given linear equation one variable is called a solution. That is, see, I can explain here only. So ax equal to b, right? If you make x as subject, we get b by a, right? So that b by a is the 0 of the solution, we call. Okay, if you substitute that x equal to b by a in this equation, we get 0, right? Therefore, that value is called its solution. That value is called its solution of the given linear equation. I have given one example here. I took 3x minus 2 equal to 0. This is of linear equation with one variable. If you make x as subject, we get x equal to 2 by 3. Okay, now after substituting x equal to 2 by 3 in the given equation, we get 0 guys. Therefore, this becomes the solution of the given linear equation. Okay, now